I always love when companies take shots at other companies, like when it's like a friendly shot, not like they actually say something bad. But for example, Apple and Samsung has been doing this for years, where it's like they do commercials where it's like, oh yeah, you own a Samsung, you're on this side of the fence, you're an Apple, and you're on this side of the fence. You know, Samsung has done commercials where features that Apple are now just getting, they had for like years, so then they make a commercial about it. So there's all types of friendly shots back and forth, and I love these type of things. I always find them hilarious. And so far, there isn't really any Google with any other company like OnePlus or Samsung or any other foldable phone market, pretty much a foldable phone company right now, who are taking really shots at Google, even though they are in the space with the Pixel Fold. But interestingly enough, Samsung has a shot taken at them by OnePlus. So OnePlus posted this sponsored ad and said, "Time to get rid of those old phones." Right? And it says, "OnePlus, Samsung is my ex." Trading in for a OnePlus opening, starting at $599, which is actually a pretty good price tag here. And it's a room of people, and the first four people in the room say, "We used to own a Samsung Fold." And I would say subject to trade-in, get up to $800 credit by trading in eligible Z Fold models. Offer may change. See oneplus.com for details. And again, it's little things like this that makes me love the foldable phone space. I love the tech space in general. Again, it's not just related just to foldable phones. It happens across the board for Samsung, Apple, and regular candy bar cell phones as well. Just that little extra, back and forth that I freaking love. And again, maybe eventually Google will get into that space. I just feel like with the Pixel Fold, they're not there yet. And everybody understands if you're in the foldable phone market, your big dog you're going against is Samsung. Like, that is the big dog in the space. You want to go and take your shots at Samsung. And again, maybe Google eventually will be there, but Samsung right now is the company to take shots at. So OnePlus really, taking shots here. Very interesting, I will say. I'm wondering if Samsung will take shots back, because they really could. I mean, it was OnePlus is easy. I mean, OnePlus is literally just rebranding Oppo's Find and Fold phones. So reality-wise, OnePlus isn't even making their own phones. They're just copy and pasting other phones from Oppo. So they could come back with a shot, something like that, saying hey, at least if you want a company that makes the original products, that's us. OnePlus, you might not be able to do that. I will say though, across the board, I think I talked about this before with Best Buy and other websites as well. The Pixel Fold, well, yes, it's still right now market retail. It's $1,800. It's discounted pretty much everywhere, but it's still $1,800 when it came out, and I think Google still sells for $1,800. Many trading sites like trade-in offers, they don't offer you anything close to that. Best Buy offers you $60 for that phone if you try to trade it in. They sell it right now. Best Buy sells it for $1,800. So, which is crazy, because again, they offer you $60 to trade it in, but for the Pixel Fold, not Pixel Fold, excuse me, for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, their trade-in value, I believe, is $800. So it's many of these companies, they just don't value the Pixel Fold that much when it comes to the trade-in value and when it comes to all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of interesting, to be honest. Again, I hope Google eventually becomes to a point where we can start seeing back and forth of them, so it's a little more interesting, because right now it's Samsung, OnePlus now is really taking off, and yeah, Google is hey, remember, we're still in the game. Although with the Pixel Fold 2, the dummy units we have seen so far, I don't know if they're really in the game at all, to be honest, anymore, but we'll see. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.